Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 4 is the hotly anticipated 2022 reiteration of Samsung's top-tier foldable phones. What started with the clunky Galaxy Fold was quickly improved upon with the Galaxy Z Fold 2, fleshed out with the Galaxy Z Fold 3, and at this point we can't wait to see what Samsung will do next. The Z Fold has slowly but surely taken up the space of what used to be the Samsung Galaxy Note. Now Samsung launches a Note-like Galaxy S Ultra early in the year. This leaves a lot of stage time for foldables during the annual August Unpacked event. According to the latest leaks, there will be a Samsung Unpacked event on the 10th of August, announcing the new Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4, and the phones will hit store shelves on the 26th of August. Reports state that Sammy is aiming at having double the amount of Z Fold 4 phones made for launch day than it did Z Fold 3. This could mean a couple of things, but most probably a price drop, a definite price drop. A foldable smartphone is still a pretty tough thing to build at scale. The first and second Fold phones were both hitting that $2,000 mark. Then the Galaxy Z Fold 3 finally managed to drop the entry-level price slightly, starting at $1,799. According to rumors, Samsung is working hard to reduce the price of the Galaxy Z Fold 4 without cutting any corners. We don't know how much of a price drop we can expect, but if Samsung manages to pull off another $200 price drop, that'd be pretty cool. The Fold series has had adequate cameras thus far, not as cutting edge as the Galaxy S Ultra series, but still pretty good. Previous rumors said that Z Fold 4 would get the camera system from the Galaxy S22 line. Now keep in mind, this meant the camera from the regular S22 and S22 Plus, not the crazy super zoom one from the S22 Ultra. And that made sense, the foldable phones are already thick and heavy enough as it is. Slapping the ginormous S22 Ultra module on them would bog them down further. The Fold series are pricey, but at least Samsung acknowledges this and doesn't play stingy with the storage. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 came with 256 GB of storage at its lowest tier. It's fully possible that the Galaxy Z Fold 4 will also have 256 GB at its cheapest tier, as this is pretty much the norm for premium phones nowadays, but we are pretty sure there would be a second tier that goes at least up to 512 GB, or as per the latest rumors, we may get a model that goes all the way to 1 TB internal memory. Supposedly, the Z Fold 4 and Z Flip 4 will both be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, at least that's what one leakster claims. Qualcomm only recently unveiled the new chip and it cited some impressive numbers: 10% faster CPU and GPU, 30% better energy efficiency, all compared to the regular Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. So ran some benchmarks with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, we are quite impressed. Of course, for all the latest content on the Galaxy Z Fold 4, be sure to subscribe, and as always I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.